Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we test trending products and expose the scams before they get your money. Today, we're reviewing Qatteeey Dentures, a so-called quick fix for missing teeth that's been floating around social media and online ads. Are these budget dentures actually useful, or just another dental disaster in disguise? Before we bite into the truth, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more honest reviews. So what are Qatteeey Dentures? They're advertised as DIY instant dentures, a moldable plastic product that claims to give you a perfect smile in minutes without needing to see a dentist. Just dip them in hot water, mold them to your gums, and you're good to go, or so they say. At first glance, they look like a cheap and easy alternative to professional dental work. But let's talk about what's actually going on. These are not FDA approved, nor recommended by any certified dental association. Using unapproved dental products can damage your gums, jaw, and long-term oral health. Many users report that the material feels like thin plastic, breaks easily, or doesn't stay in place. Some say it even gave them mouth sores, not exactly the perfect smile they were promised. Most images used in ads are stock photos or digitally altered. There's no real proof these are customer results, and definitely no medical backing. Try to find a real address or support number for Qatteeey. You'll run into a dead end. No return policy, no warranty, and often no customer service if something goes wrong. You'll see ads claiming only $9.99. But many customers get hit with extra charges for shipping, or even unknowingly enroll in hidden subscriptions. So are Qatteeey Dentures legit? Honestly, they're not. This is a shortcut that could cost you more in dental damage down the line. They're marketed as a cosmetic fix, but there's no safety assurance, no real results, and a ton of unhappy customers. If you need dentures or dental help, talk to a licensed dentist. It might cost more upfront, but your health is worth it. Tried Qatteeey Dentures? Drop your story in the comments, good or bad. Let's help others avoid making the same mistake. And if you want more honest reviews that actually protect your wallet, hit subscribe and ring the bell. This is Online Scam Advisor, uncovering the truth, one sketchy product at a time. Stay sharp out there! Thank you.